Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma and let's get started on my makeup. Okay, I'm getting ready for the day. I don't know what Lily and I are gonna do today, but we're gonna do something fun. I'm thinking outdoorsy or I don't know. I still don't know. Okay, so obviously I already did my foundation and I contoured my face. Today I decided to pull this one out. It's the Milani Conceal Perfect. Look, I'm finishing it. I love this foundation. I love it so much. The coverage is perfecto. The concealer I use today is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. I love this one too. The moisturizer I use today is this one by Trader Joe's. The powder I used is this one right here to set my foundation. It's the True Match powder by L'Oreal. Okay, I contoured very softly. Maybe I should do a little bit more. This is the Makeup Geek Tawny Bronzer. I really love this one. And I'm using this angled brush by Eco Tools. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I see that it's kind of, I noticed that throughout the day, my oils eat up my makeup. They just disintegrate it. That's why I have to like use a setting spray. Oh my God, did I overdid it? I don't know. We'll see. This is my foundation brush. I'm just gonna blend it so I won't have a harsh line. Okay, the palette I will be using today is this one, Amor a la Mexicana. I got this on TikTok Shop by JC Cosmetics. See, it's right there, JC Cosmetics. I'm gonna be using the Milani eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna put that on. Yeah, I hope everybody's having a great day, a great weekend. I am stoked right now since yesterday because I decided to adopt another cat. I know, I'm so excited. I picked one and she's beautiful. Every animal that I saw, you know, they need somebody, and it's, even if you pick a pet to take home, you tend to feel guilty for not taking the whole shelter with you. I swear, I kept saying to myself, if only I had a farm, if only I had like a big property, a big area where I can raise all these animals and give them like a happy life. And oh God, yeah, we went to go see some cats, and then Lily wanted to check out dogs as well. We did, so she can see them, but obviously we're not gonna get a dog. We're there for a cat. My purpose was to, okay, so here, I'm gonna give you guys the rundown. I was cat sitting for my daughter, the oldest one. She has 3 cats. She had to have 3 cat sitters, right? So I was one of them, and she brought her cat over to me, and it's an orange cat, and she bonded really well with my cat. And when it was time for her to go home, Lucy was like looking for him and missing him, and there's a shelf here where he used to hang out. That was his spot. He used to lay there. That was his safe spot, safe zone. That was where he would sleep, and then eventually he would transfer himself to the couch and cuddle up with the pillows. And she kept looking up there and looking for him, and I felt really torn. Honestly, I felt torn when my daughter took him. I know it's her cat. But I still felt really bad because we got really attached to him. And yeah, it was so sad. So that's why I decided to go adopt one. Okay, let's go in with this palette. All the colors are named by the states of Mexico. Not all of them are here, but most of them. I think there's like 6 missing or something. I don't know. But I love this palette. Look at the colors. They're just beautiful. Beautiful colors. They're all gorgeous. So let's start off with one. Okay, I'm gonna get this fluffy brush. This one is by Eco Tools. I'm gonna get this color right here. It's called Yucatan, and I'm gonna use this as a transition color. It's a light brown, like a pale brown. Yeah, baby.
That's not. This one, look. This one.
Yeah.
Rainbow, mommy.
Oh, okay, baby. That's your rainbow slime?
Because it's right to the kitchen. And they gave to me rainbow slime.
Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, I put it on both eyes. Now I think I'm gonna go in with this one right here. It's called Puebla. It's like a reddish maroon or like burgundy. So yeah, I decided to adopt a cat. I will tell you the name as soon as I get her. So I didn't bring her because she's going to get spayed, and I will pick her up the day after she gets spayed. So yeah, that's 3 days from now, and I'm just excited. I took pictures of her, and I don't know if this is gonna sound weird, but I kept staring at those pictures last night, and this morning I pulled up my phone, and that's the first thing I opened. It's to look at her picture. Yeah, I'm so excited. You know, she's my new little baby. It's a girl. Bless you. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna pick up that same color, uh, Puebla, that same color that I used on the top of my lid. I'm gonna put that on the bottom and smudge it with my smudge brush. And pick up some more and do my other eye. Okay, so this palette has a bunch of beautiful shimmers. There's one there. This one too, you can barely see it though. I don't know which one to pick. Let's do this one. Let's see. Ooh, this is pretty. I like to drag it up because it hides on my, lid. This one's called Sinaloa. It's like a shimmery rose gold, I guess. It looks rose gold to me. Pretty color. Right now, I'll show you guys the lip gloss I'm wearing. There we go. Okay. The gloss I am wearing right now is this one by Maybelline. It's a lifter gloss. It just makes your lips look plumpy and glossy. No, it's not a lip plumper, but I feel like they make it look fuller, and I love this. This one is called Bubblegum 120, I think. Oh, 024 Bubblegum. Very pretty color. Look at the pink. So glossy, so juicy looking. Oh, I love it. I feel like darkening a little bit of my outer part of the eye. So I'm gonna get a pointy brush, and I'm gonna get a slightly darker reddish. So this one, Campeche, this one looks like a deep red brown or burgundy or something. And I'm just gonna do that on the end here. I know Lily is not supposed to climb up there. See how I just intensified the outer part? Ooh, it looks like a Valentine look. Or maybe like a spring. Because I can. It looks like a spring, maybe Mother's Day, maybe Valentine's Day. I don't know, but it looks very pinky, right? And I'm gonna go under here. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I already did my mascara. For blush, I was like, maybe I shouldn't do blush because that's too much pink. But in my palette, the Makeup Revolution blush palette, I have this like peach color right here and maybe like this pale one. I don't know. Let's see how it looks. Just to give my face a little bit of color. That's cool. It's not too intense. I'm gonna pick up some more. I think I know what I'm gonna do today. What if I take her to the park? I can't say it out loud. The PARK. Or we go buy supplies for the new baby. She needs a lot of grooming. She has long hair, so I feel like going to Home Goods or something. I feel like Home Goods, you always find good stuff, even for pets. For the house, for the pets, I love Home Goods. It's my thing, you know? I can spend all day there, dude. Like, it's amazing. I love that store. Okay, and for my lips, I'm gonna take it smooth today because, yeah, I'm gonna apply more of this gloss. The Maybelline Lifter Gloss, it says. I'm gonna do this look instead. And I'm gonna set my skin, my face, my makeup with the I'm all over the place. I'm like, Okay, so I'm gonna use the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. I'm gonna need this spray this makeup to stay all day because, yeah, we're gonna do a lot of things. And here it is. What do you guys think? Do you like my pinky look? I feel like it goes really well with my nude shirt and some jeans. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed sitting here and chatting it up with you guys. As soon as I get my new baby cat, I will show it to you guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Every time I think about it, I just like, something inside me just overwhelms me. I feel like crying. I feel like hugging somebody. I don't know. It's just like having a cat is really special to me. And yeah, I can't wait. Thank you guys so much. For all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are tuning in and it's your first time, subscribe. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let me know what you think about this. I like it. Very pinky, very girly.